Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question, does your headphones Creative Sensemore Air support wireless charging? And my short answer is yes, it supports wireless charging. I tested with a wireless charging station. I just should put it good, and as you can see, this flash this LED light is flashing, so it means that it's charging. Also, if your phone doesn't support wireless charging, I mean reverse wireless charging, you can charge your headphones with it. Yeah, also we can see a LED light here, so this means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!